Yo, what's up guys, Project Moto here. Just another little exhaust video today. Down at Ducati Chelmsford today, we're going to be looking at the Scrambler 1100 Sport. It's going to have the Termignoni system put on it, or Termignoni, no, we don't know how to say it, but it's going to have the Termi system on it. So we'll have a look at the standard one, then have a look at the Termi system on it, and have a listen to it. So there's the standard pipes on the bike. They obviously come out either side. They don't look too bad, the standard pipes, to be honest, on this one. Here's the Termi pipes. So also on the standard one, you've got the cat in here, the valve on it, if you can see that. This pipe obviously takes that out, takes the cat out. So let's have a listen to the standard one and the Termi system. They do look nice. Let's have a little listen to this on the road, eh? Well, that was a Termi system on the Scrambler 1100. It does really sound better than the standard pipe. It's a lot louder, got a lot better sound to it. I do like the pipes either side on the standard one, but I think this does actually look better. And this exhaust cost you £1,068. There is advantages with that though. At medium revs you get about another 5% brake horsepower and about another 8% torque, so that's always good. And yeah, I think it's a nice addition to the bike. As always guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much.
If I was going to say it,
how would you say it?
is it like that?
Just say it.
I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know.
Termignoni. Termignoni.
Oh, shut up, you fucking terrible.